Okay, so this is actually my second test of the water system I put together on a dolly cart. First one had a little problem with air in the lines and different things with tubes and connections, so I reworked it, got a little bit different pump because it didn't seem to have the pressure off switch that it needed. And now it's ready to go to the second test, and it looks like it's working. So the first thing to do is just plug it into the battery power, and here's the water pump right there, and there's the battery connector that you can just pull out if you need to. And then the other thing about this, you just got to remember to turn the propane gas on, and everything is controlled. It's on right now. You see that the gauge doesn't show anything, but everything is controlled with the handle of the person taking the shower. You have an on-off. So I want to push this right now. It's off, and I want to hit this button. And as this is spraying off to the side here, I'm going to check back here, and you'll see that it is showing, and it's climbing to show you what the heat of the water is. I just have it set kind of like in the middle, then all water. And as far as the water spray goes, I'll change the format of the spray. Pretty good. Almost reaching the fireplace. Yep. And then in the middle, you have both. And then back is spray. But it has really good water flow. And it seems like it's not using much water at all. I started with less than half a tank, and it's still going strong. So I'm thinking that this whole unit here will, I'm just going to turn it off again, and everything shuts off. You hear the pump, it stopped running. I'll turn it back on, you can hear the pump start. And the gas pilot light lit, off, on. I'm going to turn it off again. So that's it. And then what I did is just did a little strap here for the, up here, a little strap for the shower handle, just for transport purposes. It's all off right now, just from the handle. And I can go in the back and just pull the electric from the water pump and turn the propane tank off. So pretty cool system. I like it, at least. Has everything. That's an RV style pump made for campers and everything, so it has a lot of pressure. 12-gallon bucket will probably give 20 to 30 minute shower without ever turning the water off. Longer, you could probably have 3 people take a shower if you just wet yourself and soap down and then turn it back on and rinse off. But there we go. We have hot water shower, summer, winter, whenever we need it. Hopefully we'll never have to use it. That's it, and bye.